Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to find a job. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to your ChatGPT website and basically just click on Chat Open AI and you can start having conversation with ChatGPT. So basically, you can ask ChatGPT for multiple things that can make you or that can help you land a job on any position that you would like. And one of these questions or things that can ChatGPT help you, for example, you can start searching what are, for example, the needs or the market needs or the jobs that are required. And of course, the better you have the premium version of GPT, the most accurate result that you will have. Since ChatGPT 3.5 it has a limited database. So what is your last data update? And you will see that has just the data from the January 2022. And basically, if you go for the ChatGPT 4, it will has the real-time data and it can give you accurate, more accurate results. But still, ChatGPT can be a very useful tool. Like for example, it can help you start writing your resume. Give me an outline for my resume for some kind of position for developer position, for example, and it will start giving you the outline. And from here, you can start having a deep conversation. For example, you can tell him to give you more contact information or more detail on these points, and you can have it uh, write you even the summary or objective. The more you are giving him information about yourself, you will have more results on this. And of course, ChatGPT can give you the about section, for example, for your any platform that you are using for getting jobs like LinkedIn or any other platform. You can have them or ask ChatGPT to start writing you the resume. You can start writing you some cover letters, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.